Well, hey everybody. Casey, you're in the way. I came here to show folks Duke. Casey, you're in the way. Look at Duke. Look at Duke. What in the world are you doing, Duke? I'm improving things. Oh yeah? You're improving things? Nora? Puppy! Is he improving things with your... She's like, boss, he's doing a good job. Is he? You supervising? Boss, I got him. He's doing a good job. All right. If there was bugs out here, I'd be loving this smoke. Well, I won't carry you anyhow because it's blowing the other way. I'm sitting on top of the wall. You see that wall? I'm sitting on top of this wall. Same thing. Pup. I don't like the leash, boss. Get rid of the leash. I'm not getting rid of the leash. You have to walk on the leash. You have to. Yeah. Everybody else. Little girl, can you walk on the leash? She know I will. Yeah. So at some point, everybody got to learn to walk on the leash. Jazzy. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yeah, you. Why is your ear always flopped, pretty girl? Why? Nora? If I was closer to you, I'd be making you look at me. Look at him. Look at him go. With both hands. With both paws. Duke. And then you want to come in my house. That's all right. I'll sweep up. I'll sweep up. I'll sweep up, little girl. I will. I'll sweep up. I'll sweep up, Curly. Pup. Oh, my goodness. There's something so nice about sitting around with your Airedales. See. Yeah, what do you look... Boss, I got your 6. Ain't nothing sneaking up on you. Okay, all right. Dude, if you get that hole big enough for your big butt to get down in there, is that what you're trying to do? That's my hole. All right, well, it's dragging on. Pup. Good spot for a nap. Yeah, you in the sun? All right. It's warm out here. Let me go shake the fire. Talk to you next time.